Hey everyone, and we're gonna be doing the big wrench review, okay? Alright guys, see? Ready? Here we go. Here's the big wrench review, okay? Alright guys, see that? Here's the big wrench review, see? It is twistable, it's silver, yep, it's twistable, see that? It's silver, yep. So, this says drop 8-inch drop forge, the 2000 it's up to 200 heavy duty, okay? Okay guys, that's the big wrench review, okay? Okay guys, yeah. Okay. Let's go say hi to my 6-year-olds and dad and mom.
We'll just pull this
Hi Liam.
Hi.
Yeah. No way. Hi Lana.
Hi.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. Watch Puppet Up Pals. Yep, then watch your Puppet Up Pals. Let's say hi to Dad. Hi Dad. Hi. Now, let's say hi to Mom. Hi Mom.
Hi.
Yeah, I know. I know, so. Yeah. Alright guys. Now, excuse me. We're gonna be doing the plant Myrtle. Alright, we're gonna be doing the plant Myrtle. Okay? Alright guys. Ready? Here are the images of Myrtle. Okay? Alright guys. See? Here's the plant Myrtle. See? It's kind of a bit white. Yeah, it looks like a dandelion to me. But it's not. Alright guys. So, I'm gonna read a couple of things right now, okay? Alright guys. Alright. Myrtle are plants. Myrtle's a plant, okay? Scientific name is Myrtus. Family is Myrtaceae. Order is Myrtales. Kingdom is Plantae. Tribe is Myrtaceae. Alright guys. So, that's it for today. Now, listen closely. Give this video a cool thumbs up, like it in the comments down below. Please subscribe to our channels, our 5 channels: Toy Ingles, Ingleman Vlogs, Ingleworld, Ingleman Places, Ingle Sports. Bye guys. See you real soon. Bye. So long. Bye.